Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Spotify listening history. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you're letting Spotify play out new song that you haven't heard may randomly start at the end of your last song. For many passive listeners, this is fine. However, sometime a song may stick in your head and you may want to look back what it was. Whatever the case may be, Spotify allows you to review your listening history at any time without being a Spotify premium subscriber. So, how to find your listening history on your Spotify? It's so simple. So, first, you can open our Spotify. Now, you can just go to your profile to settings by tap on the up left corner on your profile in here. There is an option recent. You can just tap on that. So in here, all your listening history or song history that you have heard on your uh, Spotify. You can see in here, it's stored by the day. Today, here's your history for today. And here's at yesterday. You can see in here. So it's a simple, right? You can find all your songs history that you have listened on your Spotify. So that is how to see your Spotify songs history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.